Feels like I'm standing in timeless dreams of light mists with pale amber rose. Feels like I'm lost in a deep cloud of heavenly scent, touching, discovering you.
Edwin and I were classmates way back in 1981. Tapos, barkada po kami. Tagabili po ako ng kanin yan. Pag nakalinya po kami sa kantin, bubulungan niya ako. Bahads, bilhan mo naman ako ng isang kanin. Bili naman si Madam.
What I noticed on her was she was the silent type, the one who wears no makeup. And that started it all. I became attracted to her, and the rest is history.
I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere.
Congratulate them for this 40 years of togetherness. And we pray that they will enjoy another 40 years of marriage together.
Say you love me forever, never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything.
Mommy, sobrang expressive. Si Daddy, sobrang tahimik. As in, none of you were.
Silang dalawa, aso pusa. Pero at the end of the day, kapit ko po.
Daddy, kulit. Akala mo tahimik pero nagtutulakan yan.
We love you, Mommy and Daddy.
Never stop, never whatever, near and far and always and everywhere and everything.
So, naging girlfriend niya ako 1980. Hanggang graduate kami ng 1984.
It just happened so fast, and that's it. Siguro type niya rin ako, kaya nag-gustuhan niya ng kahit ako.
Immediately after graduating ng 1984, we got married 3 days after. And eto na po kami, naka 40 years na po kami.
Always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you.
You know, love essentially comes from within. You cannot explain how you feel it, and you're gonna stuck with it if you're really in love, and that will surely go a long way.
Right here on this ground where we are standing.
As time goes by in your relationship, you should live as not you want to change each other's ways, but to change your own way for each other. And that's a surefire to make a relationship last.
We see it now. The story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now. Nothing could be better.
Yun lang, yung endless love talaga for each other. Talagang marunong ka lang talaga lumaban at saka maging matibay. At saka yung siguro, yung talagang mahal mo yung tao na kahit ano pa man, you will stick together.
This truth, these words that we have spoken, giving purpose to the hope that we have
Wow!
There's
Goal!
in the days that lay before us, finding meaning in these moments playing out. We see it now. The story comes together. Beauty
Well, this would be always would be my words for her. As our bones become brittle, our vision dimmer, and our muscles weaker, I would always quiver and shiver whenever you are near. For the years that have passed, with firm determination for the years to come, I hereby renew the pledge of which on my wedding day, I gave myself completely.
Nandito lang ako. I hope nandiyan ka pa rin sa akin. At saka sa mga bata. Thank you for being a good husband and father and a grandfather to Luke. With this ring, I renew my pledge of my wedding day, and I promise to you my everlasting love and fidelity.